You got to do that with your ass on the seat. There you go. Hey! Well, yesterday we did the exhaust change out on the R1 as one of the parts of the Evil Twin project. That's done for now. The FCR is ready to go this week, and actually all the bikes are ready to go. I'm just waiting for the HVC or HJC, whoever I ordered those points from. They haven't come. I'll have a day of working on that, the RD, and hopefully get together with Luciano. But today is a riding day. Today, very hot. Predicted to go into the 90s and thunderstorms in the afternoon, so the whole purpose is we just want to get out of here. Then the next maintenance day will be, once we get those points installed, will be a ride up to Luciano's, have him do that very accurate dial gauge timing. I'm looking forward to that. And we are supposed to have, Karen looked at the long range weather, some really hot weather in the week to come. So the whole objective is get out early and get back early. They're always hungry in the morning. Always hungry. And as I'm having my coffee here in the morning, I'm looking up at the sky. I don't know why they predict these things, but they do. They're professionals. And I'm keeping everything in the shade if possible today. One more cup of coffee, feed the birds. The fish are already fed. The sky is blue. Oh my God, the garden's all pruned. And we want to get out of here early. We're in the long shadows of the morning here.
might have a luggage rack for that bike.
Ah, Winnie.
Here we go. They're all coming in now. Oh, oh my God. They're all coming. Oh my God, Charlie's here. Oh my God. Get out the Social Security checks. They're all here.
Beauty shops are open.
All right, you got a pair of scissors? You could cut my hair right now.
13.
You got the bags, the soft bags? They're nice.
Yeah, they're Ducati bags.
And you can still get on and off the bike without having a pogo stick or something.
Well, I can't exactly do this, but that's all right. Doing that.
Do like Roy Rogers. Take a run and jump and...
Perry.
Didn't they make a Ducati this color too?
A lot lighter. Yeah, they did.
It was a greenish thing, yeah, like a retro bike.
The matte colors. Oh,
Yeah, it's nice color. Wheels would look good that color. Yeah, we were hoping Pokey'd take better care of this bike when he got it, but it doesn't look like he's into detailing it out before he comes to the bike meetups. So pretty soon we're going to pass out the Social Security checks and the Obamacare checks and everything.
What the hell they call it? Where you travel around.
Even electric windows.
I was thinking about getting the bigger size one just because it's...
How did you get that bag?
My girlfriend and I did that poker run across the river.
Oh, here we... Is this going to involve sex?
No.
It's going to involve debauchery.
So when we came back
He went
from
to
the
poking her.
So when we came back from the poker, Olympia. But you see, this opens up into a bed.
Yeah, but they're not mesh. And what kind of jacket?
Yes, it's mesh. No, that's Vans. That's an old. Yeah, that is mesh inside.
But the white is so much better than the black.
That's why I put it now.
I got to give you credit. You're ahead of your time. Did you go to school? Did you go to college?
No, I didn't go to college.
That's on-road, off-road? Legit right from the factory?
They didn't bring a lot of them into the country. So those are kind of collectible.
They're saving them for World War III just in case, you know. They don't want us to know they're making war machines.
But,
oh my God.
That thing has a lot of R&D.
What, they got 12 inches of travel or something?
Probably 13.
Whoa,
But anyway, did
man.
you notice the front sprocket?
No.
In line with the swing arm, no adjustments.
Oh, yeah. So it never loses, it never goes...
All right, so you don't get that tension spot.
Yes.
It's got things like that going on. The motor is on an angle. It's fuel injected. Those two lower.
And you sit on a gas cap. Is that the gas cap?
Yeah. Because those two black plastic things are the gas tank.
Wow. See that little luggage rack? That's what I would like to have on the gas tank of the
Now
bike.
that luggage rack holds 486 pounds.
Well, I would like to have the luggage rack where the bag is for the radar detector. That would be nice. I never saw a little one like that. I was going to make one, but...
The only thing wrong with that?
Okay, the entertainment committee voted that Carl should do a wheelie in the parking lot, so it isn't even
somebody else's bike.
It's Donnie's bike. It's Donnie's bike. Come on. Donnie knows he can just swat him like a fly if he drops his bike. Come on! Even I can do that. Carl is the most entertaining of the senior citizens, by far. There we go. Come on, man. At least a stoppie. Come on. A stop! Oh, come on! Donnie can do it, you can do it. I haven't seen Jose do a wheelie with those things.
Doesn't mind, you guys try.
Not me.
Who wants to try?
Not me, I'll do it with your bike.
Come on,
Where's your RD? Where's that RD? That'll do a wheelie.
take a ride on the monkey.
Oh, that's nice. Look at that. Now there's a wheelie for you. Let's see that thing do a wheelie. Come on, Carl will get a wheelie out of that. Who is that?
You mean Burger Bob?
Bagel Bob.
Burger Bob wasn't here yesterday.
Hey! Oh, all the three-wheelers are at the end. Hey, Carl is jealous. He tried to do a wheelie, he couldn't do it. No skill, it's rider skill.
What it does good is it stops you.
Smoking the tire. You got to do that with your ass on the seat. There you go. Hey! Uh-oh, Carl's jealous. Carl's brain is frying over there. Oh! Hey! Boy, are you jealous, Carl? You're glowing in the dark.
You can go shopping for the wife, you can carry groceries.
Pokey, I have a minivan when I go shopping.
Oh, a minivan?
A minivan.
When are you going to have a good idea?
With a turbo. I got a turbo minivan. Turbo Steve sat in it one day, so now it's a turbo minivan.
What is this little...
Going up.
No, I'm going back home.
Alright. How many miles you put on this year?
This year?
Yeah.
This week I put 1,000 on it. I had 3 200-mile rides right in a row.
Nice.
Went all the way up north. The day was so nice I just stayed out.
Are they going to be on your YouTube channel?
They will be, yeah. You'll be on it. You're on it all the time. You should wear one of those shirts with my name, sponsored by Windy.
Let's hear this twin. Nice and quiet. No ticking, idles even.
Low end torque up the yin.
Remember when they used to make nice bikes like this?
Put that coffee on and oh my God, it's getting too hot. Too hot for old men to be out riding. They should be home with their wives and grandchildren. Beautiful ride, got to see a lot of guys, but it's getting hot. Oh, time to get in a lounge chair here, I think. Time for that cup of coffee. So we're back home and it is just getting hotter by the minute, just by the minute. It's so good to be home. Jump into that air conditioning and have a big cup of coffee. So it was a really good day. The weather played out well. The ride was just great. Always good seeing all our friends and all the old timers that are serious motorcycles of the world. Anyway, radar detector never disappoints me. There is not a ride I go on I don't get saved by the bell. Thank you, Mr. Valentine. Anyway, I want to thank always the COVID workers that have made this ride and all these rides possible. Made our life possible. What am I talking about? Anyway, and we are coming up on. We have a couple of maintenance issues to do in the next week, and when the weather's like this, though, you know, I get tempted. All I want to do is ride. Fun, fun, fun till Daddy takes the RD away. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. I enjoy making them. And thanks for watching.